Very good morning, children. Now, let us continue with our third chapter of civics, that is how a state government work. And we were discussing who is an MLA. So, let us continue with our next para, that is, please pay attention. The MLAs of a majority party, the BJP elected Mr. Prem Kumar Dhumals as their leader. He was appointed Chief Minister by the Governor. He gave a list to those of MLAs to the Governor whom he wanted to become Minister. The Governor appointed those MLAs as Minister. Sometimes none of the political parties is able to win a majority of a seat. In such a case, it obtains support of one or more than one party. They combine to form the majority in the House. A government thus formed is called a coalition government. Let us now follow the sequence of how a party forms a government at the state level. Candidates belonging to different political parties are issued ticket to represent their party and they file nomination from different constituencies. During the election campaign, these candidates convince the people living in a respective constituencies to vote for them so that they may be able to represent them in the state assembly. Once the results are declared, the party that gets the majority of MLAs elects the leader who is appointed the chief minister of the particular state. The leader of the majority party only invited to form the government. The leader of the majority party only invited to form the government. The chief ministers then prepare a list of experienced and capable MLAs to be appointed as ministers. On the suggestions and advice of the chief minister, the governor appoints minister. The governor administrates the oath of office to the chief minister and his councils of ministers. It's the duty of a chief minister and his minister to run the state in the most efficient manner. They sit in the legislative assembly. A legislative assembly is a place where all the MLAs, whether from the ruling party or in the opposition, discuss various matters. The MLAs who also hold the position of ministers have to look after both their constituencies as well as the state as a whole. A minister heads a department of government called ministry. For example, education ministers look after education department, finance minister look after the financial affairs of the state, the health minister look after hospitals and health of the people. Sometimes when the result of the assembly's election are declared, no party attains an absolute majority, that is more than half of the total number of MLAs. In that case, a group of parties combine together to form the government. This is called a coalition government. Just we have the president, the prime minister and the councils of ministers at the center. A state has a governor, the chief minister and councils of ministers. Now children, our next topic is working of the legislature, which we will continue in our next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.